How to enable and disable Grab apps notification on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open the settings. Here you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Here, tap on the first option, then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Then you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Grab. And after you tap on it, scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then simply tap on it, and here you'll see an option called show notifications. You can either turn on or off your notifications from here. So it is that easy. This is how you can enable or disable notifications for your Grab app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.